Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create stroke effect in CapCut PC so using body effect. So first you can go to media and import your videos or photos that you like to edit. So for instance, I'm going to select one video, so I'm going to change scale and go to effect. Select body effect and can select stroke and select this one you like. For example, there are double stroke and round stroke, trimmer stroke, and etc. So for example, I'm going to select hand round stroke. Sorry, it's copyright. So just add it, change the duration, and you can see what of another like this. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.